Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Dogecoin update today, and Dogecoin is at 0.19. I would actually say that Dogecoin is not that bad. When I look at every other coin, I think Dogecoin is still pretty good, and based on its performance, it is not that bad of a performance. Now, we're down at the moment, one more day to close the weekly time frame, and I'm going to tell you what exactly are my thoughts about Dogecoin moving forward. And I think we're very close to the bottom. We have fear to currently. Last week we had extreme fear in the market, so these are the signs, right? These are the signs that yes, people are getting freaked out, and the bottom is very close, right? Very anytime soon we're gonna have the bottom, right? The market doesn't go down forever. Yes, it can stay down for quite some time, but not forever. And Dogecoin, on the other hand, I find out that we probably have this one trend line going on. And look at where Dogecoin is right now. Okay, Dogecoin is literally breaking above this this whole support at the moment. It's almost like a curved rounded bottom here, or you can say left shoulder, head, and right shoulder on the weekly. And it's basically down at the retest. We could still even see a little bit of a pull down and then start to move up again. But I look at this, man. This is really solid. And if we pass the retest, Dogecoin can literally fly, and we could be looking at $1 as the next big technical target coming up after this correction, right, later down in 2025. And that would be an amazing move. So let's get into the daily, and let me show you one more thing that I think can happen. So on the daily, when you look at things, and I remove this trend line just for a second, I do see that you have this support and resistance as well that you can have, where we had that resistance, few touches, resistance, you had another resistance here, rejection, and a breakthrough. And it does look like there's a little bit of a drop down left, and that is going to be until 0.14. So 14 cents could be the bottom. Anywhere between 12 and 14 cents can actually be where you bottom out, and then you start to push up. And why not? Because that's a big discount. You have Dogecoin literally that is down 60 to 70%. So at that point, that makes a lot of sense for you to have the bottom. Or we can just use the fib retracement and check where from the bottom here to the top of that move, where we can have the prices. So you can see that's the golden ratio, 1.5, right? So we're nearly going to bottom out at that 0.618, and that's the lowest and the best place, because that's the golden ratio. When you take that bottom to the top and you place the fib retracement, golden ratio is normally where you may expect to have the best entries. So come down a little bit, wick down to maybe 14 cents, 13 cents, then come up and hold 16 cents and start another journey, and the journey to $1, as I showed you that was an inverse head and shoulder pattern that Dogecoin has made. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.